Thanks for listening to the Skillsack.com Employee Social Media Training Podcast, where we discuss cases where social media gets people in trouble and how Skillsack can help you avoid that. This week's case is a HIPAA case from Texas. It seems most of the social media mistakes seem to be coming from healthcare and HIPAA these days, doesn't it? In this case, the Texas governor asked a question on Twitter. He asked how the state could save money on healthcare expenses. A clinic worker replied back in a somewhat sarcastic way that making employees work overtime was an extra cost and he should have his examinations during the regular day like everyone else. Of course, she was referring to a specific episode in her clinic. That seems fairly harmless, right? Well, the first thing to keep in mind when working under HIPAA conditions is you can never ever disclose a patient's identity publicly. But that's exactly what she did with her comment. She exposed that the governor had been a patient in her clinic. That identified him enough to make the clinic nervous, and they fired her. This is how touchy these healthcare situations are as providers, policymakers, and the frontline healthcare workers continue to sort out the exact requirements. In this climate, problems can happen instantly, so training healthcare employees is critical to avoiding problems like this. Skillsack can help you train your employees on how to use social media and what not to do when using social media to keep your organization out of trouble. For our healthcare clients, we even have a specific HIPAA piece of the training. If you want more information, please visit Skillsack.com and choose the employee training link or send an email to info@Skillsack.com and you'll receive an instant email back with links to get to know Skillsack better. Thanks again for listening and have a fantastic week.